on a girl off. Hi. Who doesn't watch my retarded videos?
Watch Derek's videos. They're pretty funny and they're awesome.
Yes.
Freaking get out of here!
Want to play a game?
Nigga,
Yes.
you is not scary. Look at you. Have you seen yourself? Look at this hair.
I am pretty.
No, you don't. Look at you. You need some
I'm hot.
Dr. Miracle.
I'm fucking hot.
No, you're not. You
All the
need
girls-
Dr. Miracle.
I'm hot.
Do you know what Dr. Miracle is?
Do you know what hot means?
Not you. That's what it means.
I am hot.
No, you're not.
You see my hair? I just got it
It's
done.
nappy. You can't even whip that. See, you're not. Your hair just.
I just got my hair done.
Look at his mommy.
I can't believe I just broke that. Ugh.
You broke your mom?
No. My mom broke her.
Oh no. It's okay, Derek. Oh my gosh, your mom lights up.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Derek's mom.
Dude, you raped your mom!
Incest.
Your mom's
Three
dusty.
means go.
Your mom's dusty.
Your mom's dirty.
She's a
She
little
needs
dry.
to wash that.
She's a little dry.
Ew, now you got your spit on your mother. That's disrespectful.
She likes spitting. My grandma likes spitting.
My mom is cool. My grandma.
Not your mama's.
Hey, look. You want to see yourself? Oh, wait, you're just seeing the camera.
Me?
No,
No, you dumb shit.
the people who's watching
You're
this.
so stupid. I could put a bag over your head and you'd look smarter.
Dude, you so stole that from our grandma, you ass.
Yeah, I know.
I like your style. Oh, shit.
Girl.
Nigga.
Girl.
Nigga.
Girl.
Nigga, look at yourself.
I just got
Wake
my
up,
hair.
Hutch. Oh, the mirror broke.
That ain't
The
funny.
mirror broke.
I am pretty.
You are ugly, so you can't even whip your hair. It's just like,
Oh, my hair. I broke my neck.
broke your neck,
Do I
whipping
play
your
the
hair.
game?
No!
Aren't I scary? Didn't you watch the last 7 videos?
No!
Well, I'm gonna make an 8 one. It's an ow! Ow! My eye! Nigga!
Nigga, what you say?
I'm white.
You're white.
Can't you see my face?
Like, period. Period blood. Ah! Period blood! Ew! You have period all over.
Stop.
Watch Derek's videos. They're pretty funny and they're awesome.
Yes.
Freaking get out of here!
You are not part of this video.
You know what? If you don't get out of here, you're gonna end up looking like we're on a girl off.
And we're gonna shove these glow sticks up your butt.